So guys, I'm gonna take the lights from this to this wonderful light. Let the light shine on.
We know we're shit.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the Daily Drift.
That's much better. So I got the garage door up now so I can actually see what the hell I'm doing because it's really dark in here if you couldn't tell from before. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang up. I got 2 lights off Amazon. They're real cheap. Whoops. I got these little light mounts. They're like $37, really cheap for 2 of them. They're LED, they're bright. And I'm thinking just hanging 2 of them for now. We'll see how it works. I'm gonna do it real easy. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adapt that light socket to where I can put a regular outlet socket, because if I use that one there, it's constantly on and there's no way for me to switch it off. So I'm gonna use this with a simple adapter and then just plug them straight in. So that way, hopefully I'll get the best coverage of the light, whether it's up or down. I'm just tired of not being able to see when it gets dark, and honestly too, it helps with filming because trying to film when it's pitch black is really hard when you have, you know, no light. Having a pair of these things right here would actually be really nice. So we're gonna do that today. All right guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm basically just taking some measurements to try to figure out like where I wanna put it. Because I kind of want to have, since I'm only doing 2, is have it like equally spaced. So I'm going to use the garage door as like the centering point, because I know that that's pretty center. And I'm just going to basically try to find a spot right in the middle. Drill one there, and that should be pretty close to centered over the garage. So we should have a good amount of coverage with that. And I just do the same thing on the other side. Drill my holes, put it in there, and should be good to go.
My first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of...
Whoa, shit, almost fell over, careful there. So all I gotta do now is I'm gonna take this bulb, which is really hot. You've probably seen better days. So this is the adapter that I'm using. You see it's got these little things, and all it does, it's got a slot, so I could take this. I could still use my light bulb, but now I got outlets for those lights. So it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna go put it in. All right, so now that's in, all I need to do is get the lines from each light, bring it over to here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some electrical staples to tidy up the wires up top so they're not just hanging everywhere. And then that should be pretty much it. So I'll start on this side first. That's one done. Now do the other side. See if it works. Well, the one side turned on. Let's get the other side to turn on. God said, let there be light. Hey, look at that. We got power. Sweetness. All right, guys, let's see what happens when we shut the garage. It's pitch black, and let's see just how much brighter this is. It's about to get real dark. Okay, pitch black. Here we go. And God said, let there be light. And there was. Look at this. It's so much better than what it was. Like, I can see pretty much everything inside the garage. Like, it's, wow, this is awesome. I actually have light, guys. Like, I can actually see in here. This feels like an actual shop now. Like, I feel like I can see everything. Like, it's so much better than what it was. Guys, I can't get over this, holy crap. Like, I can see over here. I can see everything over here. I can see everything on my workbench. I can actually see what I'm doing. I can see everything. It's awesome. Like, oh my God. And that's just 2 lights. I can't even get over that. That is awesome. Just imagine if I had like 2 more lights. But I think for right now, I don't want to put any more juice into the actual light socket, but let me show you. Check how much brighter it is in here right now. Like, this is just crazy. Now, don't mind the mess. I know my garage is a terrible mess, but like, look at this. I can actually see on this side. I can see the car. I can see everything. Like, holy fuck, I need to clean my garage. But damn. And the best part is these little, what these are called are like little electrical wire hangers. It's like an electrical socket, staple. And those electrical staples help keep the wire up so it's not all hanging and nasty. But like, damn, like I could see everything minus the fact that his hood is shading the light. Like, we can actually see what's going on in here. The best part about this whole thing is that once winter comes, I'm not gonna have to worry about freezing my ass off because now I can do it with the garage door closed. Like, literally my garage door can be closed and you guys can see me. So now I'm not concerned about the lighting and all the other BS that I've had to deal with in the past, which was a nightmare. It's amazing what 2 lights will do. And it's funny too, because today was one of those days where I was just like, I had so many things on my list that I needed to get done. I was like, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do this. And I didn't get anywhere. I couldn't get anything going. I was like, I kept trying and trying and trying and nothing was happening. Until finally, I was like, okay, let's go put the lights in. It's an easy project. It's something I know I can do. Even though I'm feeling like shit, I was like, you know what? I can do it. I can do it. So I did. And look at this. I mean, this is just, this one little thing. I accomplished one thing today. I wanted to do so much more, but I got one thing, and this one thing means so much. It's incredible. And they look really good too. Like, they're clean, they're even, so the light distributed is just, I couldn't be happier. I know this is like, to some people it's like, it's just a light, but to me, this is so much more. It's worth all the sweat and the nastiness and all the just, you know, whatever. It's worth every penny to me. I paid $37 a light. I got 2 of them, so I paid, what, 60 bucks. I paid $3 for that little adapter thing up there, and $2 for some, like, electrical staples. This is, woo! So these are the staples I used. I got them at Lowe's. You could probably get them on Amazon. They're 1/2-inch electrical staples. I think I paid $2.50. Which was a really good deal. I mean, they look like this. Okay, so if you look there, you can see all the electrical staple is just a little piece that it's plastic, so that way the wire doesn't get pinched, and there's no metal, so it can't ground out. It's just a safety thing, and it makes the wires look nice and neat. So when I'm walking in here, I'm not looking around going, holy shit, why are all these wires dangling? I'm probably gonna get an LED bulb for that so the light matches, but yeah. Check it. Look at how much better that looks compared to how it used to be when we used to walk in here. It actually looks like a real shop now, minus the mess. Sounds like it's getting ready to rain. Let me go open the door and I'll show you. This is exactly why I wasn't able to do much on the cars, because as you can tell, got a big ass storm coming this way, so there's gonna be a lot of rain and shit. So yeah, that's kind of why I didn't get much done with the cars today, because we're expecting this. This is something easy for me to do. I mean, look at how much better this looks. Like, it just looks good, right? So at least now we're in the garage, you know, even our quality will be better. So it's a win-win. I can see, you can see. Fire department. Anyway, so I'll put a link in the description for these lights. It was really easy, really cheap. It was a huge win, and I'm just excited because, well, I can see. And that's a huge plus considering I got these. I'm practically blind. So guys, if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you didn't, dislike it. I'd prefer you didn't, but you know, hey. So guys, I hope this video wasn't too boring. If it was, well, I assume you probably already clicked off and you're not listening to me talk right now, so that's okay. But for those of you that did stay, I'm glad you did. I hope that you stay longer. I hope I get to see you guys again, because I got a lot of builds coming in now that we can see what we're doing. We're gonna be building like crazy, so be ready for it, because BMW's going under surgery. Dang, RX-7's going under surgery. The Silverado, the Miata, and maybe even old Camaro right there. So we've always got things happening around here, so be ready. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a great day.
Cause without you by my side,